With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students. Now we're going to see this question. The question says that which among the following has a hydrogen-like spectrum whose lines have been wavelength 4 times, okay, whose lines have wavelength 4 times shorter than those of atomic hydrogen, okay. So basically if we see in the question, in the options itself, there is a hydrogen also given. So basically if we see, the hydrogen won't be the answer because we also need the wavelength 4 times shorter. That means that, let's suppose the lambda h is the wavelength of hydrogen and lambda x is the required wavelength, okay, wavelength of required atom. So lambda x is given 4 times shorter, means 1 by 4 times lambda h, okay. So this is the relation given in the question itself, you can see over here, okay. And now we are going to use the Rydberg's equation to find the wavelength, that is given by 1 by lambda is equal to Rydberg's constant into z square, okay. Z square is basically the atomic number, okay, which is the number of protons and not electrons, it's number of protons at. So this is z square is basically atomic number in multiplied by n I square, or you can also write it as n1 square, okay, n1 square minus 1 by n2 square, okay, and bracket closed, okay. So this is the equation we are going to use, okay. So if we write for hydrogen, okay, for hydrogen, what we need is that we will have this equation will read as 1 by lambda h, which is hydrogen, will be equal to RH. Z is equal to 1, okay, because hydrogen's atomic number is 1, squared 1 by n1 square, okay, this is n1 square minus 1 by n2 square, okay. So this is basically what we'll get. And for the hydrogen like atom, for required hydrogen like atom, H like atom, what we will have, basically we will have the equation being read as 1 by lambda x, okay, into RH Z x, okay. This is the atomic number of the required required element, hydrogen like element, 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square, okay. Here n1 and n2 are the initial and final stages of the orbital orbit in which electron is there, okay. RH is the Rydberg's constant and lambda is the wavelength. Don't get confused in these two things, these some things, okay. So basically they will go from same initial state to same final state, so n1 and n2 will be same in both, okay. So we'll name it 1 and 2 and we will divide 2 by 1, 2 divided by 1. What we'll get, let's do 1 divided by 2 only. It doesn't make any difference if we do 2 divided by 1 or 1 divided by 2, but just in case I'm doing lambda x by lambda h will be equal to, if you see properly, I have done 1 divided by 2, so RH and everything will get cancelled, but I am showing you how it get cancelled. RH 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square divided by RH into Zx square 1 by n1 square plus minus 1 by n2 square, okay. If you see properly, then you will see many things will get cancelled over here. RH, the Rydberg's constant, will get easily cancelled over here, and basically this whole quantity will get cancelled to this whole quantity, okay. So what will be left with, nothing but lambda x by lambda h will be equal to 1 by Zx squared, okay. So lambda x, I had a relation in the question itself that lambda x is equal to 1 by 4 of lambda h, okay. So that we are going to use over here, okay. So basically here I have given already equation number 1, so let's name it 3, okay, so as to not create problems. So what we'll do, from 3 we will put the thing that is 1 by 4 into lambda h divided by lambda h, okay, will be equal to 1 by zx square. Okay, zx is basically what? Zx is the atomic number of the required thing. So zx square will become 4. So zx will become 2. So if we see, the atomic number was found to be 2, hence the hydrogen-like atom, the required hydrogen-like atom was what? It was lithium plus. Okay, why? Because Z2, basically the atomic number 2 is of lithium. So our answer will be option number C, which is lithium ion. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.